don't spend too much on the outside. You don't spend too much on the inside. There is not even inside or outside. There's one type of experience that you have. And this experience, that state of the mind, doesn't make a difference if you are inside or outside. It's the same mind which experiences it.
By observing yourself, by becoming conscious of what weakens your energy, you can begin to release those burdens. In silence and awareness, the proper frequency emerges on its own. It is not about adding more, but about removing what is unnecessary.
It's the refinement of something. Now, what can you do in the moment that you are becoming more fine? Fine in what? You become more fine in order to feel in what state are you yourself finding yourself in. Now, what state? Let's just take the two most common states. One state, you are too tense, there's too much tension. And the other state, you are too relaxed. You're too soft. One side you're too hard, other side is too soft. If the string is too hard, it will break. If the string is too soft, you cannot play. That string must have the right tension in order to bring out the proper frequency, to bring out the proper sound. So what is the regulation about? It is to realize, am I now too tense or am I now too soft?
Shi Heng Yi explains that the human body is not just a physical machine, but a vessel of energy. Just like a musical instrument needs tuning to produce beautiful sound, the human being needs regular practice to release a healthy and proper frequency. Practices such as Qigong, meditation, and mindful breathing are ways to tune the inner state. Through them, the body aligns, the breath flows freely, and the mind becomes spacious. As a result, the frequency you radiate shifts into one that is uplifting and clear, not only benefiting yourself, but also influencing the environment and people around you.
Open. Inhale. Exhale. In. And out. Now, inhale to the chest. Exhale to the front. Inhale to the chest. Exhale to the front. Inhale to the chest. Exhale to the front. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. Inhale to the chest. Exhale downwards.
This is who you are now, grounded, awakened, alive. Hold the energy of your new self with presence and pride.
Exhale. Inhale. Exhale sideways. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
This awakens the Ming Men,
Exhale.
strengthens your lower back, and rebuilds your internal power.
Inhale to the chest. Exhale upwards. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale back to the center. Exhale up. Inhale center. Exhale.
This movement activates qi flow from the earth to the heavens and balances the nervous system. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more aware.
On the exhalation, squat. Inhale up. Exhale, squat. Inhale up. Exhale, squat.
This movement energizes the heart meridian, builds emotional resilience, and reminds you to live with compassion and courage.
Exhale, squat. In. And out. In. Out. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Yeah. The power is locked inside the legs. Inhale. And release.